Stop for a second. You understand English, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind suddenly goes completely blank. You start thinking, is this correct? What if I make a mistake? Someone is looking at you, waiting for your answer, and you just smile and say nothing. If this feels like you, don't skip this moment. Hey, I'm Gwen, and this is Fluentcore English. Today, you will train your mouth to speak faster in real conversations, without overthinking, without freezing. But listen carefully. If you don't speak with me, nothing will change. So speak with me, even if you feel slow, even if you feel nervous. Just open your mouth and speak immediately. Good. Let's begin. Let's wake up your voice right now. Say it with me, loud and clear. Ready? Let's see what happens when you stop thinking and start speaking. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here, even if I feel nervous. I'm here, even if I feel nervous. I'm here right now. I'm here right now. I'm present. I'm present. My brain is awake. My brain is awake. I'm here. I'm present. My brain is awake and ready. Good. Something is changing already. I'm going to speak English today. I'm going to speak English today. I'm ready. I'm ready. Now faster. Don't stop. I'm here. I'm present. My brain is awake and ready. I'm ready to speak English, and I'm going to do it well. Yes, this is how confidence starts. Most people feel shy at this moment, but you didn't stop. Now, let's move your mouth more. It's okay if it feels difficult. It's okay if you can't say it perfectly. Just try. She thinks carefully before she speaks. She thinks carefully before she speaks. I clearly said 6 simple sentences. I clearly said 6 simple sentences. Now a little faster. She thinks carefully before she speaks. She thinks carefully before she speaks. Unique New York. Unique New York. Unique New York. Unique New York. Yes, it's a bit tricky, but your mouth is learning. Feel it? It's getting easier now. Now we build step by step. I train. I train. I train my brain. I train my brain. I train my brain every morning. I train my brain every morning. I train my brain every morning, even when it feels hard, and I can feel the difference. You are building a real habit right now. One more. I show up. I show up. I show up every day. I show up every day. I show up every day and I practice. I show up every day and I practice. I show up, even on bad days. I show up, even on bad days. Even when I don't feel like it, I still practice. Even when I don't feel like it, I still practice. Because I know it works. Because I know it works. This is the moment most learners stop. Don't stop now. Now, real conversation English. Good morning. Good morning. How's everything going? How's everything going? I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking. I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking. Give me a second. I'm thinking. Give me a second. I'm thinking. Now say it together. Good morning. How's everything going? I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking. Good. This is real speaking. Because in the next part, someone will ask you something, and this time you will answer instantly, without freezing, and this time you won't freeze. You could say, I'm thinking about my day and trying to stay focused. I want to use my time well. I like that. That sounds clear and real. Now let me ask you something. Are you a morning person or a night person? You could say, I think I'm more of a morning person. I feel clearer and more motivated early in the day. Same here. Mornings feel fresh, like a new start. Okay, next question. What's something you've been enjoying lately? A show, a hobby, anything. You could say, I've been enjoying short walks in the morning. It clears my mind and helps me feel calm. That sounds peaceful. Maybe you should try it tomorrow. Now, let's go a little deeper. Don't worry, just speak. What's something you've been trying to improve about yourself? You could say, I've been trying to be more patient. Before, I used to get stressed quickly, but now I'm learning to slow down and breathe. That's powerful. Real change starts like this. Do you feel like you're improving? You could say, yes, slowly. I still make mistakes sometimes, but now I notice them faster, and that feels like progress. And that is progress. Last question. Take your time. If you could give advice to your past self, what would you say? You could say, I would say, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Just start. Even if it's not perfect, just begin today. That's real wisdom. And you said it in English. Be proud of that. Now, we go a little longer, more natural, more fluent. Listen first, then speak with me. Training your brain takes time, but every day you practice, it gets easier. Training your brain takes time, but every day you practice, it gets easier. The words that felt difficult before start to feel familiar. The words that felt difficult before start to feel familiar. And one day, without thinking, you just speak. And one day, without thinking, you just speak. Stay here. This part is important. Sometimes, the things we fear the most are exactly what we need to do. I don't always know the perfect words, but I say something anyway, and that is enough. The more I practice, the less I worry about being perfect. Some days I feel stuck, but stuck doesn't mean stopped. Now, casual English, like you're talking to a friend. I can't believe how fast this year is going. You know that feeling when something finally clicks? That's the best feeling. Some days, I just need to pause, breathe, and remind myself it's okay. Now, a short story. Repeat with me. One morning, a few weeks ago, I woke up feeling nervous. I didn't know why, so I went outside. I walked slowly. Everything was quiet. And in that quiet, I remembered something simple. I'm doing okay. Not perfect, but okay. And okay is enough. How does that feel? Now listen. Just listen. There is a version of you who speaks English easily. That version is not far away. You are becoming that person right now. Every sentence you speak is a step forward. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Because the person who keeps showing up, even imperfectly, will always win. Now say it with me. I can speak English. I can speak English. My voice matters. My voice matters. I speak, even when it feels difficult. I speak, even when it feels difficult. Every day I practice, I improve. Every day I practice, I improve. Say it louder. I can speak English. My voice matters. I keep going, even when it's hard. Good. That is your voice. You didn't just watch this. You spoke. You tried. You showed up. Most people don't do that, but you did. Now go to the comments and write, I am speaking English today. And if this helped you, don't stop here. Subscribe to Fluentcore English and keep practicing with me every day. Because the more you show up, the more natural your English becomes. I'll see you in the next session. Same place, same journey. Keep speaking, keep growing, and don't go back to silence.